Okay, we're at Travessa das Docas, which is this one, which is going to go to a waterfront. So we're going to take that in a minute. Before we do, we'll just kind of show you this main road that we're at. This is kind of a major artery. It's called Rua de Ribeira do Patane. So we're kind of near this Patane neighborhood. And we're going to go directly up there. Chiquinha. Chiquinha. Go check out the road. Chiquinha. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so here we are in Patane, Travessa das Docas. We're gonna head up this way. This is the street that we're on, Rua de Ribeira do Patane. Lots of tall buildings everywhere, but we're gonna go down this little alley. So let's go check it out. We're basically walking to the waterfront, but we're gonna take this little thing in here, and there's a harbor all the way down here. So we're gonna go down there, and I think I'm gonna have some footage from a boat. We'll see if I do or don't. But there's definitely a harbor that's directly this way, down this little alley. Let's see, little buildings here. Don't know what they all are. Kind of cool little rooftop up there, eh? So that's our street sign right there, Travessa das Docas. The houses. Actually, the details sometimes is kind of interesting. That one is so strange. It's just a little tiny rooftop that's just kind of hovering above the other ones. This one too, right? So it's just a little house up there. There's a ladder right here. Lots of laundry. So yeah, straight ahead is a harbor. So we're gonna walk all the way to the harbor. Yeah, kind of interesting. So let's just check out some of this stuff. So this is like a tiny abandoned house, what was once a house. And it kind of goes right up against that tall building as well. So that's our little alley that we just explored. Walked down. Travessa das Docas. Another street sign. This looks like somebody's house right in the corner. Then we kind of come out to here. There's like more laundry over there. Little park over on that side. That's our street. Those are those balconies there. Lots of tall buildings around here as well. Let's just keep on walking down. So I think this might still be the same street. We'll find out, and it's gonna go all the way to a harbor. So we'll just keep the camera on until we get all the way there. Huh. Travessa da Ribeira do Patane. So this is just a little tiny alley. It goes all the way down straight. So it kind of parallel to the other one, right? It's more like a back door one. It's interesting as well. Let's go all the way down. So you got all your tall buildings over there. But our goal is to keep going all the way to the harbor. So we started out that kind of that main road, and there's a harbor directly this way with some boats. So I think today I'm gonna try to get some footage of that area. Let's just see here. I don't know if I can go in this area or not. Let me just see here. I think I can keep on going. There's construction here. I don't know, it's a little confusing, but I definitely want to keep on filming. Nice apartments all the way around here. Yeah, you wouldn't think we were just in a little makeshift alley just a minute ago, would you? And straight ahead is a little harbor, so we're definitely going to go over that way. Looks like this is a park they're creating right now. Somebody's exercising. I guess it's a much needed park. So we'll still label that this one according to that alley. Kind of gives context to it. And I'll also label it as Patane as well. It's a nice balcony up there. And I think we're gonna be able to walk straight ahead, and there's a harbor over there. You see Greenleaf. It's like a bar there. Okay. It's like a basketball court in here. or they're building one. So they're building quite a bit in this area, it looks like. So we're gonna go directly over to the water, across this main road, and then we'll see if we can stick the camera over to the harbor so you can kind of get an idea for it. So directly that way. Let's just see what it looks like. I think I'll be able to stand up on there. Lots of construction here too, so. There we go. There, you got it. So now you can see all this construction here. I don't know what they're doing here, but it looks like a pretty cool little thing that they're doing. And there's a whole little marina right in here, so yeah, basically this comes out to here, and then I guess you can take a boat out. So we're gonna see what we can do today. And we just came down one of those little alleys straight over from that other main road. Okay, hope you like that.